Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 3rd, and today we're going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I'm actually thinking that this is the end of a big correction right here. This move down is all very corrective overlapping. If that's true, then that means that this is going to actually continue the uptrend, probably taking out both of these highs and either making a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, I do believe that this is the end of something and it's going to end up being a big move up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this uptrend. I'm thinking it may even be a wave 1 and this move down may even be a wave 2. And we're now in a wave 3, which I think is eventually going to end up looking something like this to make a 3, 4, and wave 5, which I think is either going to be a big wave 1 or a big wave A. Doesn't really matter to me whether it's a 1 or an A because the trading strategy should be exactly the same either way, which is I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is the end of an ABC correction right here, especially with the fact that it made a higher low. Definitely never even proved that this move up right here is over. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is a 1, ABC, which I think is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3, which is probably not even close to being over, and it should just keep on going up to make that pattern like I was showing on the weekly and on the monthly time frames. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move right here I think is an A. This move up right here looks more like a trend than a correction, but it probably is a B. And I think this move down is a C. Now the euro has been very strong, so this wave C only went to the 61.8, but with how strong of a move that is, I definitely do think that is the end of a correction, and I do think that it will end up continuing the uptrend. That tells me that I definitely need to be looking for longs, especially on shorter time frames, for the continuation of this uptrend, all part of a big wave 3 on the longer time frames. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this move down right here. And this big impulsive move up that we got today definitely did take out structure. Proves to me that this move down right here is over. I think that move down is a wave C, and if it's over, that means that's the end of a correction and that this really is going to end up continuing the uptrend from here, telling me that if it does make any pullbacks, those are definitely the trades that I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend. I'm definitely looking for longs, and I'm definitely only going to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.